So guys, welcome back. We are back to our awesomeness TensorFlow tutorial. So as you remember, we did the additional program and I told you that this name, I'll tell about this later. So now I'm about to reveal that. So all you have got to do is add this one line. I'll writer equals to tf.summary.filewriter. Now what it will do is it will generate the session graph into this TensorBoard's event file, which will be stored over here. So you can give the destination over here, whatever you like, and the ses.graph, whichever session you're running. So I think this should do it. So let's try to run it. And let's just wait. Okay, so it gave me an output 5. So okay, my TensorBoard has already been running. So I give it the destination directory. As you can see, all you got to do is type TensorBoard, then after that log directory equals to, and give the directory over here and press enter. Yeah, so what it will do is it will generate a localhost link which you can copy. Make sure you copy it with Ctrl+Shift+C, and then over here you will just have to paste it. Do you guys remember? This is the graph. As you can see, I typed name A and B over here, and this will be the input to our graph. The TensorBoard has a lot of utilities, but we won't be able to see them right now. This is a legend given to us over here. So as you can see, this is the operating node, and these are the constants. And well, you'll see a lot of things. This is the data flow edge. So this is TensorBoard for you guys. Hope you guys like this video. And I know it was quick, but we'll definitely do more about TensorBoard tomorrow.